Hello guys, welcome back to my how to channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Siri taking a long time to load. So you might be in a situation where for some reason Siri is just taking a very long time to load inside of your particular iPhone. So doing this is actually pretty basic. There's a couple of different ways to fix it. Number one, if you have a pretty old iPhone, if you're holding it down, if you have like a very old device, sometimes it just doesn't matter what you do. It's just going to be slow. So I would recommend going through making sure you don't have a super old updated iPhone. If you do, it's okay. You just have to make sure that your particular device, you're just kind of going to get used to it. If you have a stronger internet connection too, sometimes that can cause some, ways to fix it. So what I probably recommend doing is just going through and making sure that your particular Wi-Fi connection and your internet connection are good and you don't have any issue with it. Sometimes you can have some issue with it, and I recommend just going through and just kind of fixing those particular problems, because sometimes that can just be an issue. It can just be internet connection problem. Now if that doesn't end up doing it, you may also just want to make sure that your phone has been updated kind of to like a more recent version of iOS. So make your way back into your internet connection right here, so your settings application right here, and then you want to scroll down until you see general. So tap on general right here, and then what you want to do is you want to click on software update. So go ahead and tap on software update right there, and then what you want to do is you want to update your phone to the most recent version of iOS. So go ahead and find your most recent version of iOS that you have available and go through and update to it. That can also kind of fix this problem for a lot of people as well, and I would recommend going through and kind of doing that, because sometimes that can also fix this problem as well when it comes down to it. So those are kind of the main ways to go and fix this problem. For the most part, you can also try restarting your phone, but that's essentially where it starts with. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my auto channel.